I'm Mike Hutch. I run the Peloton. We're a firm of chartered accountants and marketeers. Now, you might think they're unusual bedfellows, but not from my perspective. All business is made up of three things. That's marketing, operations, and finance. And as a general rule, people who run businesses are quite good at the operations sort of stuff. So dentists are good at dentistry, and candlestick makers are quite good at making candles. But not often does everyone have skills in finance and marketing. And it's our job to bring that to the party. Now, at the Digital Dentistry Show at Olympia, 15th of September in London, I'm going to do a short talk about how to make digital dentistry pay. So, and when I talk about pay, I'm principally thinking about two main factors, which are increasing your profitability, but at the same time managing or reducing your risk. And in addition to those two topics, we're going to be looking at tax, we're going to be looking at funding, and we're going to be looking at cash flow. So all in all, 5 quite useful topics if you're looking to spend a bit of money on a piece of equipment. And if you've got 30 minutes to spare, I think it's worst things you could do to come along and listen to that talk to help you get your head around some of those specific points. Look forward to seeing you.